All right, hello, Professor. This is my VI for this lab. We have the DAC assistant here, and then we have the my DAC set up here. So we have the DAC assistant, which is set up to use our thermistor that we have. So we set up to a resistance of 10K ohms, and then we have one sample on demand with the 2-wire configuration, 1 milliohms current. So we set that okay. Then we have our dynamic data here. So our data is going to flow through our DAC and then flow through our system here. So we'll have our formula node, and then our time up here, and then our formula will display a number, which will be displayed in temperature in Kelvin, and then a little equation here to convert it to Celsius. And then we have, I can't move my computer, so I have to bring water in here. So I set the green light indicator to 55 because I won't be able to boil it to 70. So it'll indicate a green when it gets to 55 degrees Celsius, and I just extended that value to be greater than 55, and then that will indicate our green LED here. We can change that to greater than 55. So I just hooked up my thermistor. I don't have banana clips either, so I hooked up my thermistor just to the ends of these leads. And then we have our ice water here. So our temp is about room temp right now. And I'm just gonna hit run. And then we'll go back here to our control panel. And we'll dip it in the ice water and we'll see it go pretty low pretty quickly. And then it doesn't even register because it gets so cold. It goes to not a number. It registers below the min, and then we'll go into our hot water, which is, you can see it's steaming here. See, it's pretty hot. And then you see our green light indicator went on. We'll go back. There it went off below 55. Not quite below the minimum. And we'll go back up to the hot water, and then we see our resistance bing, and then greater than 55. And then that's obviously linked to the Celsius. And then we can minus 273.15 degrees from that Kelvin there, if we want to get our delta. Go back up, and then we can see our temp chart there changing, and we see our thermistor picks up the temp change pretty quickly. Then it gets to 55. Yeah, see, we can only get to about 60, 61. You see we're in the hot water now. And we'll go back. Cold water, picks it down pretty quickly. Back up to the hot water. Back up. So we can see how it's changing with each time I move the thermistor. And that's the experiment. So there's my DAC here set up. We got our leads just hooked up there. And that's it. That's the experiment. There you go. Thank you.